my channel. So today we have a problem, and this problem is find records in a table which are not present in another table. So हमारे पास दो टेबल है, EP1 and another table is EP2. And EP1 we have ID, name, department, salary, and in EP2 we have similar variables ID, name, department, salary. And if we analyze the data in EP1 and this EP2, we can see that this ID2, Mary, HR, salary 55,000 is also present in table EP2, which is here. And if we look into this ID3, Alice, finance, salary 75,000, this is present in EP2, which is here. So we can say that there are two rows in EP1 which are also present in EP2. So हमें क्या करना है? Basically we need to find all the rows in EP1 which are not present in EP2. So for this current EP1 and EP2 table, if we try to find out कि कौन सी rows है जो EP1 में है but those rows are not present in EP2, then we can say that this row number 2 and this row number 4 are the two rows that are present in EP1 but not present in EP2. So basically in our output we need these two rows. So this is our problem, and to solve this problem we can use except in proc SQL. Except retrieves row that exist in one dataset but do not exist in second dataset. That means by using this except हम EP1 में वो रोज निकाल सकते हैं जो EP2 में प्रेजेंट नहीं है. So let's jump into the SAS and let's try to see how we can find out this. So we have two datasets. First is EP1 and another is EP2, and we have some values in EP1 and also some values in EP2. So let's run this and generate the dataset first. We have EP1 now and we have EP2 dataset now. So now if you closely analyze these data sets, you can see that we have some common rows in EP1 and EP2, and those common rows are these three rows. You can see that this ID2 Mary, salary 55,000 is present in EP2. Also this ID3 Alice, finance, salary 75,000 is present in EP2. And also this ID7 Bob, marketing, and salary 50,000 is also present in EP2. So basically we are left with only one row, which is this first row in EP1, ID1, name John, department IT, and salary 60,000. So in our final result we want this in our output because other rows are present in EP2. So let's see how we can do this. So we can do this with proc SQL, and we want all the rows from EP1. So select star from EP1 except those rows that are present in EP2. So select star from EP2. So in this particular query, what we are trying to do is, let me explain you. Initially, we are trying to get all the records from EP1 except those records that are not present in EP2. That means in EP2 we have these three rows present, so that is why we will get only this as an output. So let's run this query and see the result. So you can see now we are getting that row that is present in EP1. There are any rows that are present in EP2 and EP1 both, then we are not getting those rows because we have used except in our proc SQL query. So going forward, I will be posting more questions related to SAS and proc SQLs. So subscribe my channel. Thank you.